This 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 31G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features a Magnolia interior, sleeps 6, smoke detector, skylight, slide-out, stovetop burner, microwave, LP detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, TV, auxiliary battery, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 31G is 10,110 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.